Welcome, this is Vijay Philip from MES Adikrantivir Vasudev Belabantha Phadke Vidyalaya, English Medium, Sector 6, New Panvel. In this class, we are going to study Standard 8, Subject History, Lesson number 1, Part 3, Sources of History. In the previous class, we have already learned about material sources and written sources. So in this class, we are going to study oral sources and audio-visual sources. Can you tell me some of the oral sources? Is Povada, then folk songs, okay, folk tales, okay, very good. Let's see, let's have a look. Inspirational songs, folk songs, Povada, folk tales, narrations, interviews, fairs, jalsa, art group, rhythmic prose, that is OVs. So at first we will study inspirational songs. Various inspirational songs were composed during the time of freedom movement. Why did these songs compose? In order to inspire and motivate the freedom fighters. There were lots of unpublished inspirational songs were there. Through these songs, we get information about the conditions during the pre-independence period and the spirit behind the freedom struggle. Now, let's see Povada. Students, do you know what is a Povada? What is a Povada? Yes, it's a dramatic narration by alternatingly reciting poetry and prose extract. Povada narrates great deeds of heroic men and women in a very forceful and inspiring style. For example, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's time, they presented a Povada of killing the Afzal Khan, and another one is a battle of Simhagar composed by Tulsidas. These are well-known examples of Povada. And do you know that during the British period, Povadas narrating the stories of Umaji Naik, Champhakar brothers, Mahatma Gandhi were composed. Even Samyukta Maharashtra movement, the Povadas were used as a medium of creating public awareness. Okay. And these Povadas used to create motivation and spirit among the people. Okay, students, let's move on to video, audio and audio visual sources. This is the last source, video, audio and audio visual sources. During the modern period, due to the development of technology, there was a development in the art of photography, recording, films, etc. These photographs, records or films can be used as a sources of history. Now, let's see about the photographs. It is a visual source of modern Indian history. Photographs are considered to be a more reliable source. Photograph of a person gives information about physical features, dressing style, etc. Photograph of an event give a visual image of the event, whereas photograph of an object or a structure help in understanding its nature. With the discovery of art of photography, photograph of various persons, events, objects, structure, places were clicked. and through these we get information of the person or an event in a visual format. Even in the medieval period, paintings were available that depict the physical features of a person or a visual description of a particular event. But the authenticity of these painting is doubtful. Now let's see about recording. The discovery of technique of recording was also important as photography. Recording is a form of audio source of history. During modern period, the speeches of leaders or important personalities, songs, etc. are available in the form of recording. They can be used as a source of history. For example, national anthem, that is Janagana Mana, sung by Rabindranath Tagore himself, or the speeches of Subhash Chandra Bose can be used as an audio source for the study of history of modern India. Now, films. It is considered as a unique discovery of modern technology. In the 20th century, there was a great development in the technique of filmmaking. Dada Saheb Phalke, look at the image, in the year 1913 laid the foundation of Indian film industry. Audiovisual recordings of Dandi Yatra, Salt Satyagraha, Quit India movement, and such other historical incidents are available. Through these films, the event could be seen in reality. Okay, have you seen these films? Okay, now I'll ask you some questions. First one, fill in the blanks. Among the historical sources, the sources are based on modern technology. Which one? Yes, audio visual. The next question. A unique discovery of modern technology in 20th century is dash. 20th century unique technology. What is that? Yes, films. Okay. Can you tell me something about photographs? Yes. Photographs are considered to be more reliable. We get information about a particular person, physical features, dressing style, etc. Okay, very good. Now, can you tell me something about Povada? It is a dramatic narration by alternatively reciting poetry and a prose extract. Can you tell me some example of Povadas narrating some great leaders? Yes, Umaji Naik, Mahatma Gandhi, Champekar brothers. Very good. Now, what do you know about recordings? Yes, it is a form of audio source of history. Then, for example, during this modern period, the speeches of leaders or great personalities, songs, etc. were recorded. Okay, that is available in the form of recording, and this can also be used as a source of history. Okay, very good. I hope everybody understood. Okay, let's stop. Thank you, children.